Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Just want to say thank you very much to all the people who's been watching and supporting me since day one. I haven't been posting recently because I've been busy with my personal life. But maraming salamat po to all the people who's been messaging and encouraging me to go back to vlogging. And today, since this is a very special comeback for me, I'll be showing you guys the baked crab mango KANI recipe. Alright, let's get started. For the first step, we need to cook 2 cups short grain Japanese rice, 1:1 for the water, and then prepare 2 to 3 tablespoons rice vinegar. Mix it with 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. You need to put it in a microwave for 5 to 15 seconds to make sure that the granulated sugar will be dissolved. The water or the word sushi actually means vinegared rice or sour rice and not raw fish, guys. The steamed rice is flavored with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt to achieve a delicious balance of sweet, salty, and sourish taste. And then put 1/4 cup roasted seaweed with sesame seeds. You can buy these in the nearest Korean or Japanese stores, or you can just roast a seaweed with salt and sesame seeds. Before mixing it, put 2 to 3 teaspoons sesame oil. Toast it generously to spread the roasted seaweed evenly. And let's go for our second step, guys. We need to mash 1/4 cup cream cheese and mix it with 1/4 cup Japanese mayo, or you can use 1/2 cup cream cheese. So basically, all you need to do is mix it well until it's creamy and well incorporated. If you do not have cream cheese, guys, you can just use quick melt cheese. And if Kewpie Japanese mayo is not available, you can also use a regular mayo. All you need to do is add a little bit of rice vinegar and sugar, and that's it. That's gonna be your Kewpie Japanese mayo. Now you can put it in our 2 cups shredded imitation crab, or you can also use canned tuna for budget-friendly options. And for the vegan version, you can put shiitake mushrooms or tofu instead of crab KANI and toast it in a vegan mayo. By the way, guys, just want to share one of my pandemic realization. Embrace your own power and capability because it frees us from fear of a changing world. Do not focus on the things that you cannot control. Instead, focus on how to improve your physical, mental, and spiritual health. And now, let's put the diced cucumber. Do not forget to remove the seeds. And put the diced mangoes. It is 1 cup diced mangoes and 1 cup diced cucumber. Do not forget to save a little bit for the toppings later. Mix it generously. It's okay to add more Japanese mayo if you want, but do not put too much because it will overpower the taste of the vinegared rice. And now you can put or spread and layer the rice and make sure that it's flat before putting the crab mixture. Our next ingredient is FURIKAKE. It is a rice topping that is a combination of dried fish, salt, sugar, chopped seaweed, and sesame seed. But it is hard to find, so I invented my own version of it. A combination of crab chips, salt, sugar, chili powder, and seaweed. So all you need to do is put it on the top of the vinegared rice. After the furikake, you can now layer the crab mixture. Make sure to spread evenly. And for the toppings, guys, you can put roasted seaweed, sriracha, or if you do not have sriracha, you can use a regular hot sauce. If you do not have it, you can find chili powder. And then you can put the dried mangoes. And lastly, you can top it with Japanese mayo. You can prepare this dish on your special occasions, or you can also sell this for 800 to 1,000 pesos per tray if you wanted to have a business. You can bake it for 15 to 20 minutes for 350 degrees. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and you can also comment down below if you wanted to know more interesting recipes from my channel. Always take care, guys, and don't forget to pray. Bye, guys. Enjoy.